Hi everybody, today I am Kim. I'm from the Cambodia. Right now I want to speak English. I want to talk with all those people on the world to know on my video. And in this video I want to ask a question to other people in the world. And because includes I am a new YouTuber to creator to make a video, I want to ask you guys that how to be great YouTube to be completely hour 4,000 hour, and could you guys can tell me the good tip to me, okay? Because I'm new here, I didn't know how to make a video and make it interesting to those people to would like to watching my video. Because I'm low, I'm poor, like to make a video. That's why I want to ask people here, if you guys to understand and kindly to help me and just comment on my video, and then when I'm sorry I will check it, or you guys can share, or you have a video sharing on YouTube, you can share the link on my comment. I will check it, I will watch it, I will try it, because right now I just have one list from the YouTube hour, not just completely, just only get complete one for subscriber. But I really appreciate all these people they are to help me, support me, subscribe to me. I really appreciate. But and today I just want to change environment to speak English to make you guys to in the world to understand what I'm to want to say, and especially our my content. I'm just share about how to make money, how to make money from app and social media like that. But I monitoring, I'm monitor all my video, and some video not reach people watching. I didn't know what's happened. And if you guys to understand and clear about how to do a good video, please help me. I really want to know about this. I hope everyone, every people, when you guys watch my video, you will help me and help me from your kindness and share something what you know about to make a video and you post in YouTube. And you know why I want to be a YouTuber, because recently, and if we are success do at the YouTube post video or something, we can earn the money from the post video, and we can support our family. We can buy something if we can successfully can get a more monetization, just like that. And yes, nothing. I don't know how to say anything else, because I just want to know that how to make video is get more new and rich like that, and how to be get completely our 4,000 hour like that. I just want to know that. If you get to know that, help me and comment in my video here. Bye bye.